List video training session. Today's session is on show agents. This is a new feature that was released in June of 2014, and we'll show you how it works. If we go to the referrals list page and click the pencil, let's say that we're putting in a new record, and we put in the transferee's address, and we're not really sure which agents are in that area. Well, what we can do is just click the Show Agents button after entering the postal code or the zip code. It opens the Show Agents page and displays for you which office services that particular zip code. It also lists which agents are working out of that office. If you want to select from, say, a certain team of agents within that office, you can click Search. And let's say we're looking for all of the agents that are on the Relo team. So we type in Relo, hit Apply Filter. There are two. So let's select the second one, click the button, and just like that, we have the office. We also have selected the correct agent for this record. So that is what Show Agents is all about. Notice it's right next to the zip code for the client. And so that's what we're doing, is looking for an agent that works in that zip code. Now, if you'd like to know how all this magic works, there are two tables we need to look at. First is the Offices table. We're going to go back to the Utilities, click Offices, and let's find that the Town Lake office, the one that we were just looking at. Oops. Let's go to the bottom of the list. Click Town Lake, click Update, and you'll notice that there's a new field here called Areas Served. And we're putting in this field all the zip codes that this particular office services. So it does take a little bit of setup in the beginning in order to put in whatever zip codes this office works. Now, you may have two offices servicing the same zip code, and that's fine. Just enter the zip codes that each office services, and then if you put in one that's common to both, when you do a search, it will show both offices. Okay, so that's the Offices table. We also want to look at the Agents table. In the Agents, if we want to look for a member of, let's say, an A team or a Relo team or REO, we put that in the Agent Info field. Okay, so there's a little hint here, it says member of a Relo team, etc. So in this case, David Apple is the agent, and David is a member of the Relo team. He's also a member of the REO team. And you can put in whatever designations you want. Just make sure that they are unique, so that when you do a search, you can find what you're looking for. So that's how it works. We set up the offices, we set up the agents. Then when we're entering a new record, once we fill in the zip code, just click the Show Agents. It'll show you which office, and then you can select the agent that you want. Well, I hope that you find this to be very helpful. If you have any questions in getting things set up, be sure and let a member of the Relo team know. Have a great day.